Yes, good afternoon. We did send samples from the state of Meghalaya to confirm the presence of heavy metals in fish as per the reports in the paper. So in social media, I guess it came out in social media. So we had to send the samples, and about 45 samples we had sent to lab to IFRAC Calcutta, and then the reports came out that it's conforming. All the samples are conforming to the standard. All samples conform to the standards, which means that all fish samples, the fresh fish samples, and we have included some rohu as well. All of them are conforming to the standard, which means that it does not contain any heavy metals.
And what about the mode of collection of the samples? Like, it came to like stay, I mean, like in the entire state?
Yes, in the whole state of Meghalaya. Yes, we have done in the whole state. Yes, from all the districts, and then we have done it as per prescribed by the rules, by the standards, rules and regulation as per FSSAI. Yes.
So,
After this, definitely from the commissioner will be sending, will be sharing the reports that we have from Meghalaya to Assam, and then we will maybe we will together we can sit down and then find out ways and means on how to curtail these kind of problems which may arise. I cannot say for certain that there will be no contamination of heavy metals and others, because of the kind of environmental hazards that we are having, washing of vehicles and then factories and all sorts of things are happening, and it goes to the drains, to the river. So we cannot say for certain that there won't be anything like this, but from our side what we can do is that we will keep a vigil on the checking of fish and other products as well, and we will also be sharing with our Assam colleagues, and then we may sit down for a meeting and find out a solution on what to, maybe what is the way forward for these states that we can take to curb this problem.
in previous years, there were concerns of fish coming from Andhra, present of Pogo.
Yeah.
Has been this issue.
Since that time, as I have mentioned earlier, we have been we have been testing samples from time to time. But during these years, during the testing that they have conducted, we have not detected any positive presence of formalin.